I want to take a look again at the story in Mark 5. We talked yesterday about continuing to believe God for those things we are asking Him for. And looking back at Mark 5, we see that the ruler continued to trust Jesus. After hearing that his daughter had died, he still stuck with Jesus. And Jesus goes to the man's house, puts the doubt out of the room, and tells the girl to get up. Straightway. So much in that word. Straightway the girl got up. Not 10 minutes later, not tomorrow, not next week. At the moment of Jesus speaking, she got up, and that's powerful.
Today we want to encourage you to once again keep believing. Each time you pray, stir up your faith and have a straightway moment in your life. Know that the words that Jesus speaks and has spoken in His Word changes the atmosphere. Speak His Word to the things in your life that are chaotic, and believe Him straightway today for moments to change in your life. We encourage you once again to read in Mark chapter 5. We love you guys, and we'll see you next time.